Zach Pakoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 10-3 text. So let's jump right into the video. Alrighty! So as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 10-3 text, which is the third and final lesson in Chapter 10. That's right, after I finish recording, editing, and uploading this video, along with the 10-3 work together, we will be done with Chapter 10, and we'll be moving on to Chapter 11 relatively soon. But anyway, let's jump right into the 10-3 text. So in this lesson, we will be learning about recording transactions using a general journal. Okay, so there are some key terms that I'd like to go over before we start the accounting part of this lesson. So a sales return is credit allowed to a customer for the sales price of returned merchandise resulting in a decrease in the vendor's accounts receivable. A sales allowance is credit allowed to a customer for part of the sales price of merchandise that is not returned, resulting in a decrease in the vendor's accounts receivable. And a credit memorandum is a form prepared by the vendor showing the amount deducted for returns and allowances. Alright, next we're going to be talking about the credit memorandum for sales, returns, and allowances. So what we're essentially looking at here is a credit memorandum for sales, returns, and allowances. And as you can see here, the credit memorandum number is 41. It's from Hobby Shack Incorporated, and it shows us their address and where they're located. It also says by the arrow, we have this day credited your account as follows. The date is March 11th. It's being sent to Village Crafts, and it shows us their address and where they're located as well, and the account number is 150. Below all of that, we have the item number, quantity, units, description, price, and total. The item number is 17126. The quantity is 3 units each. The description is an 18 by 24 wood frame. The price is $19.50, and the total is $58.50. And the way that's calculated is by taking the quantity and multiplying it times the price. We then add that number to the sales tax amount, which is $3.51, and that will give us the grand total amount, which is $62.01. And it says down here, if the above is incorrect, please return the stating difference. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to be talking about in this lesson is journalizing sales, returns, and allowances. So this transaction reads, on March 11th, granted credit to Village Crafts for merchandise returned, $58.50, plus sales tax, $3.51 from S160, total $62.01, credit memorandum number 41. All right, so when we journalize a transaction related to sales, returns, and allowances, there are a few steps that we follow when doing this process. First, we write the date, which is March 11th, in the date column. Next, we write sales, returns, and allowances in the account title column. After that, we write CM and the credit memorandum number, which is CM41, in the document number column. Next, we write the amount of the sales return, which is $58.50, in the debit column. After that, we write sales tax payable in the account title column. Next, we write the sales tax amount, which is $3.51, in the debit column. Following that, we write the accounts to be credited, which are accounts receivable and Village Crafts, in the account title column. Next, we draw a diagonal line in the post reference column. And finally, we write the total accounts receivable amount, which is $62.01, in the credit column. Alright, so that is the end of the 10-3 text. In the next video, I will be going over the 10-3 work together. Okay, thank you.